guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a shrug, a unique shrug out of an old dupatta. So without further ado, let's get started. The length of the shrug is totally dependent on the width of your dupatta or fabric. Take the one corner of the fabric and make the triangle like this, matching up the selvages. Then again fold this triangle into half so that it will be easy to cut the circle. Check what could be the maximum length. Mark that length on the top fold of the fabric, and this is where we are gonna cut it to get a full circle. Following the same process, I am going to cut one more circle like this. So one full circle will be the main body of the shrug, and one circle which I am going to cut in half later will be our sleeves. So before I go ahead and cut the other things of the shrug, I'm going to finish the hem of the circles with the lace. If you want to do this process later on, you can do that. Moving on to the sleeves, I am taking one circle, folding it in half and cutting it. We will be cutting both the sleeves together, so fold the fabric in half. From the folded side, mark the armhole down by 7 inches and move sideways by 3 inches. Join this point to the top of the folded side. And now make the armhole curves for the front and the back. Take rest of the fabric as the margin and make straight line to define it. Moving on to the main body of the shrug, find the center of the circle first. From the center, move across by half of your shoulder on both the sides. In my case, it is 7.5 inches. This is where we are gonna cut our armholes. From this point, move down by 7 inches. Here, make an oval for armhole with the width of 3 inches. Now is the time to cut the armholes. Moving on to the stitching part, join the sides of the sleeves first. Once done, attach the sleeves to the armholes. That's it, your shrug is ready.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember while you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it and you will try this shrug at home. So let me know in the comment box if you like it or not. Stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.